Car belong to you?
Yeah, it's my car.
It belongs to you?
Yeah, it's my car.
It belongs to this business right here.
Well, too
Right here.
fucking bad. It's my
Move
car.
your arm.
What? You trying
Move
to
your
point
arm.
out that I'm shaking?
Huh? It belongs to Bevmo.
I'm going sporadic.
Huh?
I'm going sporadic.
Do you have ID with you?
Fuck no.
Huh? Do you?
Fuck no.
Okay. Why don't you step over here then?
For what?
Step over here to the glass.
For what?
I already told you you're not supposed to have this shopping cart, right?
So what?
Okay. Turn around then for me, partner. Turn around. Yo, you want to? Oh, you want to try and cut me, right? You want to? Right?
Hey, bud, just put down the razor blade. Just put the razor blade down.
Hey, are you guys at the station? Are you available to respond for a?
We're at the station. I can head out there if you want. Where you at?
El Centro and Sunset. RD4. You should listen to code 6 at El Centro and Sunset on the 415 man.
RD4, RD code 6, El Centro, Sunset, 415 man. We're gonna head out there.
Hey, bud, did you get released from the hospital? What hospital did you come from? What's that? You came from jail? What jail was it? What jail did you go to? What's that?
Yeah, that's fine. I can't do that. I gotta talk to you first. What I'm asking you to do.
Hey, Daniel, when we're out from the station.
Hey, bud, just put the razor blade down.
But I just want to talk to you. We're just going to go easy. Just go easy, and we just want to make sure that everything's cool. We just want to get you some help. Okay. But let me just talk to you about it, and let me go ahead and get you a conversation with you. Okay? So we want you just to relax, and that's the circumstance. You get up. Get up here, I said, and take this from him. I'm gonna have one of my guys just go. All right, I need you just to chill out and hold up, okay? Hold up and just relax. Just drop it and don't do anything. If he goes northbound, hit him. Just drop what you got in your hand.
Watch out here.
30 Edward, I need somebody to block on El Centro north of Sunset now. No, he's got a razor. Relax, buddy. It's not worth it. Relax. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Hit him. Hit him again. Hit him again. Stop hitting the ground. Stop. Stop. Drop it. Drop it. 30 El Centro north of Central. 415 man. Stop resisting! Get his legs! Get his legs! Get his arm! Watch his knife!
His hands are clear. They're out.
Go ahead and get out.
Yeah, get out.
I'm out. I'm out.
Relax. Relax. We want to get you help. Relax.
Please give me help.
We're gonna get you help. Relax.
I'm pissing on my pants. I'm sorry.
If you put her in custody, pushing you,
I can't breathe.
Okay, we're gonna get you help. Hold on a second. Let's get him on his side now.
Please.
Flip him on his side.
Please. Thank you.
Get him on his side.
Thank you.
Roll over. I'm gonna sit you up.
30 Edward. It's gonna be a code 4. Suspect is in custody. I'm gonna need an RA to respond. El Centro, north of Sun.
That way, get the slate over.
Stop resisting. Get his legs. Get his legs. You were in. Watch his knife.
His hands are clear. They're out. Yeah, get out.
I'm out. Relax. Relax. We want to get you help.